Are you wondering how to add music to your WhatsApp status and make it stand out? With WhatsApp's new update, it's now very easy. So here's how you set photos with songs or videos with music as your WhatsApp status. So open your WhatsApp on iPhone or Android, then go to Updates and Add Status. Now choose your photo or video first. Now in case your video already has music, then to add your own song or audio, tap the speaker icon to mute the audio, then tap on the music icon and search for any music that you like. You can tap on the play icon to listen to the music. Then if you like it, tap on the arrow. And after that, you can choose whether you want to add the music preview or keep the music only, and you can choose the portion of the music that you want to use. Then simply tap on Done. Now the music has been added to your video, so if you wish, you can go ahead and add a caption, and go ahead and set it as your status. And for photos, you just select a photo and add music that goes with it. That's how you can set WhatsApp status with your favorite music or songs. Hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for more.